Hello mga friends, welcome back again to my channel, Children Fishing Adventure. So I'm here to rectify my kayak and to install properly my fish finder, my GoPro holder, my cell phone holder, and then of course our sonar. So I'm gonna mount properly the cable and the cable gland, and then because if you look with my installation previous, see the cable as long I tight here, but it's not looking good. It's look messy, so I'm gonna tidy up. What I'm gonna do is I put the battery inside there. You see that styrofoam? I put the battery, then I make a hole over here and put the cable gland. I buy cable gland today, so this one M20 the size. So I'm gonna put over here, and then the cable will gonna come out my, what you call this one, you know, this one, the supply of our fish finder, and then this is the supply for our GoPro, and then this one is going in the bottom, mounted over here. You see that one? Yeah, that because before I put my battery here, but the water come inside a little bit, so I don't want that. So now I move the battery over here, and then I make this one like a live weight or something else what I'm gonna put. So just hold on, I'm gonna make hole right now. This area are not disturbed for our weather control. See, so this area is free, so I can make hole over here. Yeah, put in the middle. Now I'm gonna mount this here. This one is rubberized, so if you tighten in, it will become waterproof, so no problem about pull. Yeah, we can tight using this monkey plier. Good. So of course I'm gonna cut this now. How long the cable we get. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hide this inside. I don't wanna cut it because someday if we got a boat, still we can use because our cable long enough. See, this is the rubber to maintain the IPX rating. This cable I hide inside and then I bring it back outside again. It's gonna look clean and neat over here. See like that. Yeah. So this is our Lowrance fish finder. Try to mount that we can measure properly the cable. Or else I can put it straight away. See that? Okay, so this is our cable now. This is what I'm gonna hide inside, and then it become look neat over here. So this one, this is for our GoPro. I'm gonna insert this one first. This one I'm gonna make a new connection, so I cut this one. We got a fuse. Yeah. Can hit this one, can become close and become waterproofing, water rated. Right, see, look at that, sealed properly. Alright, so I'm gonna put this one here. This is our terminal block, and this is will become permanent. So why I put like this, it's like a female connection, because of course this is our supply, this is our battery. So if you leave like this without this one, they have a possible to become short or touch each other, so it's gonna create fire or gonna broke our battery. And then this one, I'm gonna connect this one. A bit long the other one. See, this one will be uh, connected, and then if I charge the battery, I just lost these two screw and then take out the battery and charge it. So okay, so this is now. So what I'm gonna do, I make a jumper over here, and then I put my connection here, the GoPro and the supply for this fish finder. Okay, I make the cable first. Put this one here. Try. See. Okay, so this is now the supply of our GoPro. Okay, let's try to connect it. See. Make sure don't reverse the connection again. Don't swap the positive and negative. Okay, so gonna move it close. See, you see it's power now. The LED indicator was on. Right, so think even the phone will gonna charge. See? I think, yeah, see, it's charging. So it means we have a supply for our GoPro now. It means I can charge my phone and I can charge my GoPro.
A few moments later.